Hello everyone, I am Professor S.R. Kale from KK College of Food Technology. Today I am here with another topic, that is plasmid and types of plasmid. Plasmid and types of plasmid, this is also another part of syllabus of subject, that is biotechnology. We will begin with plasmid. First of all, we will begin with the definition of plasmid. Plasmid are extrachromosomal, double-stranded, circular, self-replicating DNA molecule. See, what is plasmid? Plasmid is simply, it is a DNA molecule which is double-stranded, circular and self-replicating. The plasmid is usually found in bacteria. This bacterial plasmid contains copy number. What is copy number? Copy number is referred to the average or expected number of copies per host cell. This bacterial plasmid contain two types of copy number, that is low copy number which varies from 1 to 4 per cell, and high copy number which varies from 10 to 100 per cell. The size of plasmid varies from 1 to 500 kb. Usually plasmid contributes to about 0.5 to 5.0% of total DNA of bacteria. A few bacteria contain linear plasmid. Example, Streptomyces and Borrelia burgdorferi species. Now we'll see the types of plasmid. What are the different types of plasmid? Basically, the plasmid having three types, which is based on gene transfer, copy number and some specific plasmid. The first one is types of plasmid based on gene transfer, which is divided into conjugative and non-conjugative plasmid. Second one is types of plasmid based on copy number, which is divided into stringent plasmid and relaxed plasmid. And the third one is specific plasmid, which is divided into 5 types. First one is F plasmid, second one is R plasmid, third one is V plasmid, fourth one is D plasmid, and fifth one is Cole plasmid. Now we will see one by one. We will begin with first type of plasmid, that is based on gene transfer. It is conjugative plasmid. What is conjugative plasmid? This conjugative plasmid, it is present in bacteria and it is reproduced by sexual conjugation. Here, the transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell is done either through direct contact or a bridge between the two cells, and the transfer of gene facilitate conjugation. Second type is non-conjugative. This non-conjugative plasmid is transferred through sexual conjugation with the help of conjugative plasmid, and here no transfer of gene takes place directly. Second type is based on copy number. It is again divided into two types, that is stringent plasmid and relaxed plasmid. The stringent plasmid, it is present in limited copy number, that is 1 to 2 per cell, and another one is relaxed plasmid. It is present in large copy number in each cell. Third type is some specific plasmid. These some specific plasmid are the most important plasmid which plays different biotechnological role. It is divided into 5 types. First one is F plasmid, second is R plasmid, third is V plasmid, fourth one is D plasmid, and fifth one is Cole plasmid. First one is F plasmid. The F stand for fertility plasmid. This F plasmid possess genes for their own transfer from one cell to another cell. It means F plasmid itself transfer their genes from one to another cell. Second one is R plasmid. The R stand for resistance plasmid, and this resistance plasmid carry genes resistance to antibody. Third one is V plasmid, which stands for virulent plasmid. This virulent plasmid having ability to transfer bacteria in pathogens. It causes pathogenicity. Example, E. coli found in human gut, which causes diarrhea and vomiting. D plasmid. This stands for degradative plasmid. These D plasmid are able to degrade organic matter. Also, this helps the host bacterium to digest compounds that are not commonly found in nature, such as camphor, xylene, toluene, and salicylic acid. These are conjugative plasmid. And last one is col plasmid. This col plasmid contains genes colicin, which makes bacteriocin. It is a protein that kills other bacteria and thus defend host bacterium. This colicin, it is a type of protein which kills other bacteria and defend host bacterium. This bacteriocin is found in many bacteria including E. coli, which is present in the form of the plasmid col E1. These are the different types of plasmid which we are going to cover under the types of plasmid. Thank you everyone.